Here we have a Volkswagen Up. It's a Mark 1 facelift, 1 litre GTI. Now the black beauty's looking good, and it has a good spec, including lane assist, a GTI styling pack, hill hold control, a hydraulic brake assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, rear parking sensors with a camera, and these 17-inch Oswald alloy wheels. Now, the boot's not a bad size, but it can go even deeper. The interior has a winter pack, a 5-inch composition colour system, a 2-zone climate control alongside this. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.